Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a very brief video. I'm not going to show you how to do anything in this video. I'm not going to do any tutorial based stuff, not reviewing anything. I just want to say everyone has a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Keep up the positive energy. I appreciate all your guys' support on the recent content. I'm going to keep up the tutorials and hopefully make content that's very useful to you guys. Also very educational and hopefully benefits you in some way. And I hope my content is actually reaching a lot of you guys and actually helping you along with your endeavors. I know tech issues are a major concern for a lot of people. I got a brand new PC right now and I'm currently using it to record. The quality is not going to be probably that much different because I'm using the same equipment, like in terms of webcam and microphone. However, recording and like overall processing power is much improved at this point. So I should be able to live stream Xbox now. So that's pretty cool. I also have to fiddle with this mic because all my OBS settings are currently deleted because I'm on a new computer now. But whole PC is amazing. If you guys want specific specs or like a spec list of this PC that I put together, I can give that to you. You just leave a comment down below and I'll reply to you. But it has a Ryzen 7 3800X for the CPU. It was an 8-core processor, 16 threads. And in addition to that, the graphics card was a RX 580 made by Sapphire. Really good graphics card. And it can handle literally anything I throw at it at this point. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, happy holidays. If you want to tune in to more content, just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Go check out the College Mazy podcast, link down below. I also have new merch. I'm not sure if it updated yet, but I should have. I'm not sure if I do have the link in my description if you guys want to go pick some up. New logo, new everything, pretty sick. So if you guys want to do that, you can support me in that way. Hope you all have a great holiday, and I'll see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy, which should be going up sometime in 2 days. Another tutorial coming at you guys. I think it's Xbox. See you guys then. Peace.